Epic Game Launcher Installation and Setup Tutorial. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to download the Epic Game Launcher. Number 1. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser installed on your computer. Commonly used web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Number 2. Go to the Epic Games website. Type www.epicgames.com/store/en-us into the address bar at the top of the browser window and press Enter. This will take you to the official Epic Games Store website. Navigate to the Epic Games Launcher download page. Once on the Epic Games Store website, locate and click on the Get Epic Games button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the download page for the Epic Games Launcher. Number 4. Download the launcher. On the download page, you will see a large green button that says Download Epic Games Launcher. Click on this button to start the download process. Number 5. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your computer's Downloads folder or wherever you have configured your browser to save downloads. The installer file is usually named something like epicinstaller.setup.exe on Windows or epicinstaller.pkg on Mac OS. Number 6. Start the installation process. Double-click on the installer file to run it. If you are using Windows, you may see a User Account Control or UAC prompt asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes to proceed. Number 7. Follow the installation wizard. The installation wizard will guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose the installation location, agree to the terms and conditions, and complete the installation. And hey, before you wait for installation to complete, it would be nice to click the like and subscribe button on our channel. Number 8. Wait for installation to complete. The installation process may take a few minutes to complete depending on your computer speed and internet connection. Once the installation is finished, the Epic Games Launcher will automatically launch. Number 9. Log in or create an Epic Games account. If you already have an Epic Games account, you can log in with your credentials. If not, you will need to create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and verify your account. Number 10. Start using the Epic Games Launcher. Once you are logged in, you can start using the Epic Games Launcher to browse and download games, access your library, and take advantage of other features such as game discounts and free game giveaways. That's it! You have successfully downloaded and installed the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. You can now enjoy access to a wide range of games available on the Epic Games Store. Thank you for being part of our journey. Your support means everything to us, and we are incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. Remember, your positivity and kindness make the world a better place. Let us continue spreading love, joy, and inspiration together. Stay tuned for more uplifting content coming your way.